Is it really?
Jersey, yeah.
So I hope you guys know it's been a miserable fucking winter so far, even though winter hasn't actually even started yet. It's not even winter yet. And it's already started. And I remember in 2016 it was hotter as fuck. I was like, God damn, why is it so fucking hot? And then I remember what happened in 2016. I was like, fuck, dude, we're in fucking hell. And then it's like, it's so fucking cold. I'm like, oh, hell froze over. I get it now. So hey, enjoy your fucking winter.
Yeah! It's cold and windy.
Before I go, there's something that you should know. I took a shit in the middle of a one. I drink that and I walk out of
We got three more for you guys. I just want to say thank you to Johnny, everybody with Hips. Thank you guys for coming out and supporting the cause. It's always good, especially, hey, right now it's just going to be lean for a little bit, but hey, you know,